Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I'm so glad you're here. I'm kicking off our sneak peeks with the Stamp and Die of the Month and the Paper Pad Club of the Month. I've created 3 very cute cards. I'm going to share that with you. Our Stamp and Die of the Month is super cute this month. It's called Fall Forest Friends. When you join the Stamp and Die of the Month, you get the die. Usually cuts out all the sentiments, all the images, and comes on a magnetic sheet for easy storage. These little critters are just too cute. We've got sentiments, thinking of you, gather together, family is everything, forever friends, and thankful for you. Just adorable. And I like to match the Stamp and Die of the Month with our Paper Pad Club of the Month, so you can use them together. So those 2 clubs are a great pair. I have a lot of customers that get both of those clubs. That's why I like to coordinate them so they can use the 2 clubs together. We have Blissful Autumn, which is really cute. I just love the colors this month. I am so ready for fall. How about you? So let's take a look at the paper pad. The card I created is this really cute slimline card. In this paper pad, you have cutouts. These are the cutouts, and I just used them. I use the circle as a little sun, and then I have my thinking of you sentiment. Just really sweet card. So I have the other images all cut out and ready to go. So we've got another fox with the stump as one piece. We've got a couple of leaves and this cute little scene. A very cute scene with some foxes. You get 4 of each sheet. So I'm going to flip through these really quickly. Got a beautiful glitter. I used that one on this card here. Very cute. And the leaves I used on this card as my background and on the top of this card. Beautiful mustard color. And then this plaid I used over here. Very pretty terracotta color. And then on the other side, we've got our cutouts. And this one just has the tree stump and the greenery with the leaves and a beautiful chocolate glitter. Our next paper pad is Fall Forest Friends. You do have the option to add coordinating ephemera. And when you add your coordinating ephemera, it's going to match the Fall Forest Friends this month. Very cute. We'll go over that. So we've got a page with some really cute bears. That little bear is sleeping in a pile of leaves. You get 4 of each again. Really pretty brown with some mushrooms. And I used that sheet on this card here. So I'll bring up the cards closer after we share the papers. This really cute pattern with the fox, I used it on the rosette. This glitter, I think it was this one here. This card, very cute. I love the rich tones. Really pretty. This one has leaves and mushrooms, and I love that sheet full of leaves. Really deep brown glitter. And then we've got our forest friends. And then this one with the cute little deer in this pattern here. I used that on my cards over here. So let me bring my cards up closer and then we'll show the ephemera. So here I used the Gather Together sentiment from the Stamp of the Month. And then some ephemera pieces I tucked in on top of my rosette and added a little bow, a twine bow with a flower. Super cute. This one I used the Stamp of the Month, colored all these images with the Copic markers. I do have a video on my channel membership If you click the join button, you'll get more information on how to join the channel membership. So here's another rosette. I added some peel-off stickers to the ends here, 2 flowers, some enamel dots, and I'm going to play some music while I lay out all the images for you. I will have this ephemera listed individually. If you're on the club, you'll be able to purchase extra if you need it. All of our clubs, when you sign up monthly, are 18% off. They get delivered to you automatically every 30 days from the date you purchase. As an added perk for being a club member, you receive a 15% off shopping coupon code exclusive for club members to shop with all month long. Meet Teresa tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for another reveal. We can't wait to see what you create with the brand new products. You can hashtag us at #NotTooShabbyShop. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Here are a couple more videos I think you'll enjoy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us.